What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your main man, Rally Rails, back with another one. You see the beautiful C8 sitting back there. We're going to pull it out today. It is a beautiful day out here today, guys. So, got to pull it out. And you know, with it being a beautiful day, the top's got to come off. All I need is about 32 degrees and I take the top off, you know. Just kidding, but I've done it before. So guys, we got a special pickup we're gonna do for the C8 today. I wanted to bring you guys along with me on that journey. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. So go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. We're about to get going. So I'm gonna start the C8 up. We're gonna take it out of the garage and then we're gonna take the top off. Had a couple people question how long does it take to take the Targa top off? Not long at all. And you're gonna see here just shortly. And I'm not gonna be fast forwarding. It's gonna be regular speed. So go ahead, sit back, grab your popcorn, guys, and let's get to it. All right, guys, so we got to pull it out. Now it is time to take the top off. And you guys could time me if you want to see how long it takes. Shouldn't take that long, though. I'm going to get you guys set up on the ground so you can check out and see how long it takes to actually take the top off. But I wanted to show you something real quick before that, guys. So I got a real steep driveway. You can see I'm walking down the hill now, guys. But if you can see these right here, those right there, these are what helps me clear the little dip in the driveway. I also got the front lift on the C8, but that's just extra precaution so that I ain't got to worry about too much. But guys, let's get to taking the top off right now. 3, 2, 1, let's go. That quick, the top is off, and you know we ain't keeping nothing from God, so you know gotta have that top off. So it's time to get to riding, guys. I'm gonna actually record some PDR footage. I have the PDR, the performance data recorder in my C8, so I'm gonna drop an SD card in there so y'all can catch the roller footage. And I think I'm gonna probably have me set up on the inside of the car because I want to talk to you guys about a couple things. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so it's time to get up out of here. I thought I had my dash mount, but I didn't. So it's only gonna take me a couple minutes before we get to the spot to talk about what we're gonna talk about. Close everything up. Let's get it rolling, y'all. Probably put these windows up for now because prevents wind noise. Don't want to kill y'all with it, wind noise, but what I wanted to talk about, y'all, is waves, right? Most things in life come in waves, okay? Take it easy, make sure, just in case I don't scrub, y'all. But like I said, I got double protection, got the front end lift as well as the little pile driveway ramps. But everything comes in waves. Sometimes you may wonder when you see a wave and you jump on it, why you're not as successful as others on that wave. My philosophy and motto is don't ride the wave, be the wave. Create your own wave You know, others are, you know, someone rides your wave early and others will hop in. And then when that wave is gone, create you another wave. Okay, because if you keep trying to follow waves, it's like looking at the stock market. If you catch the stock market when it's up, 9 times out of 10, you ain't gonna make no money because it's already up. You dig what I'm saying? So don't sit here and try and look for the next wave to follow. Be the wave and lead. You'll always be more successful when you create a wave. Now, the first idea, second or third idea might not work, but just keep on going and you're guaranteed to create a wave. Be creative. You know what I'm saying? People may think you're crazy about certain waves, but man, I'm pretty sure they thought Einstein was crazy. You know what I'm saying? Hold on for a second, y'all. Hey, what's going on, bro? How you doing, man?
You listen to that song?
Which one was that? Huh? Not who?
Pop Smoke.
Nah, I got his album on my phone too. I ain't even listened to it yet.
He had something just like this spinning around.
Yeah.
It's lit.
Hey, y'all, I'm out here recording, man. This is the homie from the neighborhood, man. He out here, you know what I'm saying? Cat spitting, you know what I'm saying? Rapping and stuff like that. You see he got a ball in his hand. You know what I'm saying? So
I do it. My name, I go by Thug Putty. You know what I'm saying? In all stores like Pop Smoke, Drop Toast. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, y'all hear, man. Y'all hear.
Man, something soon though, but I gotta make sure it's lit.
Yeah, no doubt.
Hype. Make sure it could be listened to, you know? I ain't coming with no crab raps, only the best.
That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. I like to hear, bro. Well, man, hey, you take it easy, man. I'm gonna check that joint out, brother. And I'll be in touch with you, though. All right now. But yeah, guys, create your wave. Don't worry about, you know, nobody else's wave, because 9 times out of 10, it's tough unless they put you in the beginning of their wave and they, you know, I'm like, hey man, I'm about to try and start doing X, Y, and Z, and you didn't, you know, find out, and you found out early or whatever, then you may have some success with it. Create your own wave, guys. I'm telling you, that's the way to go. Create your own wave. Quit riding on these waves, whether it's, you know, waves of YouTube, Instagram, social media waves, and all that stuff like that. You know, create your own wave on those platforms. Let everybody else ride your wave. Those people ride your wave. They coming in on the bottom. They pushing you up to the top. But if you come in on the bottom, I'm just saying, y'all. So, I'm about to stop to the corner store real quick, get me a little Red Bull, y'all, to get this day shaking. Enjoyed the PDR footage, so you know you can just, you know, see me riding or whatnot, guys. And I'm gonna holler at y'all in a second once we get to where we're going to pick up the special something for the CA, y'all. Peace. What's up, guys? We back with it, man. We are here at Auto Envy Chrome and Powder Coating in Concord, North Carolina. Of course, came out here with the vet. Hey, man, we came out here to make a special pickup for the CA, guys. So I'm gonna take you in here, let you meet the owner, you know, tell you a couple things of what they do here. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna pick this thing up. So let's go on up in here, guys.
Hey, Trail.
What's going on? What's going on? How's it going?
Did you get this tape?
I hadn't cut the tape off of them.
Well, you did pick them up.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Hey, nothing, man. Nothing,
All right.
man. Yeah, how about yourself, man?
Sorry, I didn't call you. I was out a couple days.
Oh, no, man.
Yeah.
You know I don't
They've been
stress
ready
that,
on
man.
it.
Yeah, man.
They look good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like I said, we just need them to be a certain color. You know what I'm saying? So
they're gonna look hot on there.
that was the main thing. Yes, sir, man. I can't wait to get them on there, man. Cannot wait. And it goes all the way back. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
you know,
I pulled it back here.
Yeah.
Just to give that, because you definitely aren't gonna see anything.
Yeah,
back
definitely
here,
not. Yeah.
Unless you're under the vehicle.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah, cut it back to the other. Yeah.
Yeah, man. That looks real good, man.
That does too. That's awesome.
Yeah.
It's gonna make the car. I mean, it's gonna tie into it.
Yeah. Big facts, man. Big facts, man.
I like it.
Yes, sir. So, guys, like I said, we here at Auto Envy Chrome and Powder Coating in Concord, North Carolina. They do a lot of stuff here, man. Done a lot of work for me for my previous car. Got them to powder coat my brother's C8 wheels. So, man, you see all these color palettes on the wall and stuff like that. So, so as far as, you know, we know you do wheels. They seen you do my brakes on my old car. What if somebody said, hey, what can I get powder coated? What are you gonna tell them?
Anything that's metal.
Anything that's metal. Hey, that's simple, y'all. So
yeah, and then 6,500 colors.
6,500 colors. I mean, he gotta have your color if he got 6,500 colors, guys. So you know, that's the important thing. So we just doggone about to pick this up. They're just taking a little tape off of here, and yeah, man. So I'm about to show you guys. I know you're waiting. So all right, guys. So just real quick. Wall of some of the colors that he got. You know, you got some wheels down here that is powder coated as well. And I'm gonna show you what we came to pick up, guys. Right there, this is my Top Speed 1 Pro performance exhaust for my C8. They had blue tips on them, but of course you guys know that wouldn't have matched the car. So we went ahead and decided to go and powder coat them black. So to match with the accents on the car, they did an amazing job.
That's a powder coat. That's a powder coat ceramic.
Powder coat ceramic. Okay, see now,
1200 to 1500 degree.
Okay, gotcha. And that's key whenever you're powder coating any kind of exhaust work or anything like that.
Manifolds. You can do manifolds. You can do intakes. I mean, anything high heat.
Yeah, but you know, you just don't want to let somebody. You just don't want to let somebody paint. You just don't let somebody put regular paint on, nothing like that. You got to have that high temp.
Yeah, you want high temp. You know, that Corvette's probably going to be turning, it being mid-engine. You're probably going to get about maybe in the 6s. But,
Gotcha.
But this gives you up above.
Yeah, absolutely.
Even if you put chips on it or kit it out, you know, it'll actually take the heat.
Yeah, guys. So, and just looking at the quality of work down here, guys, you can see, man. Yeah, you get a good look at that. Yeah, looks really, really amazing. And we went all the way back because we were about to stop at the first weld, but you know, he hit me up and said, "Hey man, I think we should go all the way back with it." So you know, I always trust the guy doing the job. So he did an amazing job, man. Flawless job in my opinion. So I definitely can't wait to get these installed now, man. So we're gonna change up that sound. It's been quiet for too long, you know. Been quiet for too long. Yeah, guys. So you see, they even got a football helmet, face mask.
We do some NFL helmets where they do the signings.
Oh yeah.
And
gotcha.
You know, with the you know, we're actually trying to work on them to where these are powder coat. This is an anodized red.
Gotcha.
But we also do the the spray on chrome.
Oh, okay.
And we're trying to implement that into with all of them.
Gotcha.
So, yeah.
That's good, man. Like I said, guys, I've loved the work ever since the first time I came here. So I haven't went anywhere else. Like I said, you know, plenty of colors. Anything metal you need powder coated. And where can they reach you if they need to get something done?
They can reach us right here. You know, they can call our number at 704-340-4737.
Gotcha.
But also, we're online, Facebook, and with you on different ones. But we sell wheels, accessories, lift kits. We do the work here. I mean, we do everything's pretty much in-house. We do have some other places, you know, that we do specialty work, especially for lift kits, but it's all professionally done. I mean, you know, you can see you've seen our work on the Facebook and different sites.
Yeah, absolutely. And if somebody comes like, man, you know, I want to get wheels and I want to get this done and this done, I know it's gonna cost a whole lot of money. I don't want to drop a lot of money at one time right now. What would they need to do?
You can finance right here. You can go right on our site, do 100% finance. You can fill out the app online.
And done deal, right?
Done deal.
Hey guys, so if you don't want to drop
$5,000, and we actually done a few that go up over. I mean, like 25,000.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
And it's the same as cash deal. You can do that. It's also, you know, you got a 12-month, 24-month,
different payment plans on there and stuff like that.
It's a real good plan that we've implemented that this year, and it's worked out pretty good.
Yeah. So guys, we know a lot of you might not want to drop the whole bag at one time. You know, you just might want to space it out. So these guys do 100% financing here, so check them out. But guys, we're about to wrap up here. I'm about to get these in the car, and we're gonna head on out. So hey, I thank you again for taking care of me, man, like you always do.
No, I appreciate you. We never, like I said, you know, first day we met, you know, we told you what we could do.
Yep.
And that's what that's what we stand by, our quality work. And
yes, sir.
Know, we got a passion for cars and things too, so that makes a lot of difference.
Absolutely.
But yeah, we appreciate your business, and we appreciate everybody you send. We try to take care of everybody the same way.
That's right, man. So if y'all come down here, make sure y'all let them know that y'all seen the video and y'all want to come down here and get some good work.
Oh yeah, we discount people too. You know, with people that send certain people, so you know you get a discount.
Yeah, man. Y'all heard it from the man himself. So we're gonna get out of here, guys. We're gonna let them finish prepping everything to get up out of here, and I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, guys. So we are back at the house now. Got the exhaust put up in the garage. You're probably wondering, where did you put them at in the Corvette? There's plenty of room in the C8, y'all. You just gotta know how to use it. So, about to close this video out. If you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that wonderful subscribe button. We got the exhaust install is going to be coming as soon as I can get it done. I got one more place waiting on a quote. It's just between two places. So once I get the quote back from that one, I'm going to go with the best quote. Both business are very reputable, so I'm just going to go with the best quote. So make sure you stay tuned, lock in, turn the post notifications on to all so you don't miss the install video for my top performance Pro Speed 1 exhaust. Guys, it's gonna change the sound of this, something ridiculous, guys. So stay tuned for that, lock in with me, and until next video, it's your main man Relly Rails. See you next time. Peace.